The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. And the topic of today's session is model-based test automation for safety critical control. Our guest speaker today is Yogananda Jeppu. He is the Senior Systems Specialist, Moog India Technology Center. Yogananda Jeppu has over 26 years of experience in developing and test control systems in aerospace vehicles. He is a graduate in Electronics and Communication Engineering and a postgraduate in Missile Guidance and Control. His doctoral thesis is on certifying safety critical control systems using design of experiments and model-based testing. He has a US patent and many publications in conferences and journals. He has worked with the Defense R&D organization before joining Moog. As a systems specialist, he is responsible for innovation, R&D, training, and flight control system design, development, and testing in the organization. So, without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Mr. Jeppu.
Thank you. I appreciate this opportunity to share my knowledge with my friends. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to speak about model-based test automation for safety critical control. Now, this is a very favorite topic of mine, and I have been working on this field for the last 26 years. And what I will do today is I will walk you through what is safety critical, what is control systems, what is model-based testing, what are the different accidents that have happened, and why is it so important, why is this field so important, what is automation in this, what is coverage metrics in this, and what you can do working for a company but enhance your knowledge in this field. So I'll be covering a little bit of all of these and try to give you an overview in the 45 minutes or 50 minutes I'm going to talk to you. I have seen the list of people who have registered for this, and it is a mixed crowd of youngsters and people with experience, people in the automotive domain or the flight controls domain, but a lot of freshers are also there. So I will try to keep it very general, and perhaps you could ask me for any specific details during the question and answer, or you could perhaps ask TechGig for a very specific sessions like this on a very specialized topic, and I could cover that later. We have covered this part. This is my introduction, and so I'll skip this. The two major drivers for me to work in this field are the accidents that happen. So what you see there is some of the accidents that have happened because of software failures. And then there is, the failure is not an option. For us who work in the safety critical field, especially in aerospace or in flight mechanics, I cannot afford a failure. So failure is not an option for me. So these are the two drivers for me to be in this particular field. So this is something I had put up on LinkedIn. It does not matter how frequently something succeeds. If a single failure is too costly to bear, one single failure, if it kills some 400 people in a flight controls application, it doesn't matter if I have succeeded for millions of flights. So this is what drives us to be very, meticulous in our endeavor to make things perfect. So what we are going to look out is a feel for a safety critical software, how we test it, a glimpse of the accidents, and what the standards talk about this, and I look at different test approaches. Then I will end with some best practices, basically my experiences in testing the safety critical system. I have been putting tips like this with a mark. So these are my personal experiences, my views of things, and basically coming from my 26 years of experience. So I hope that it's going to be useful to you. So starting, I'm going to give you the